Hi, welcome to SolidEdge ST10 video tutorial. I want to do the kettlebell exercise in SolidEdge ST. Very similar to the Inventor one, so let's have fun with SolidEdge. Okay, let's start with a sketch on the front plane. I need a circle. Diameter should be 200. I need a line because I want to trim. This should be away. Close that sketch, make a revolve, finish, cancel this out, make a revolve with that sketch and use that line as rotation axis and 360 degrees. Finish, cancel this out. Then I need another sketch again on the front plane. I need 3 circles, so one should be centered right here and 2 more. 1, 2. I could try to catch that, yes, so that should be 200. This one should be 100. This one as well. Let's put a point on one circle and put this point also coincident on the other circle right there, and then put this point onto that circle. Now let's move this a little bit up, maybe like this, for example. Now 2 lines for the trim. So that should be trimmed here and this should be trimmed there maybe. Okay, those 2 lines are for construction purpose only. This one as well. Then trim. I want to trim this away and that away. Okay, close that sketch. Finish, cancel this out. Now I need a plane which is normal to that curve in that point. So let's see, we got planes. And that would be normal to curve. Select the point, select the curve. So that's the wrong curve, great stuff. Undo. Try once more, normal to curve. I want to use that curve and that point right here. That's more like it. So go for another sketch on this plane. And I need another circle which sits right on this point, and diameter could be, let's go for 20, and close that sketch. Now I want to make a new solid, therefore I go for add body, no name needed, and then go for a sweep, and I want to use that path and that profile. Finish, cancel this out, so I got 2 bodies. Let's hide the second one. That's the active body, and make sure it is the active body. Activated, and I want to make a shell or thin wall with that body, and let's go for 1 or 2 millimeters. Let's say 2 millimeters. That's okay. Preview, finish. Okay, Nice. Now I want to remove this body from that body. So I got those 3 holes. So go for a combine command, sort of, it's a subtract. I want to subtract first, that's the target, confirm, and that's the tool, confirm, finish, cancel this out. Okay, if we hide that body, we got those 3 holes. Now let's hide that sketch and the other sketch as well, and maybe the plane, and maybe that sketch. Now I want to patch that hole on the inside and that on the outside. So let's go for surfacing, go for bounded, select the inner edge and make it tangent continuous and confirm. Looks good. Finish. Then I want to use that edge right here, again make it tangent, so go for alternate tangent continuity. This looks good. Confirm, finish, cancel this out. Now I want to split the second body, this body. So let's hide this one, make this visible and activate it. Go to home and look for a split. Should be somewhere. Here it is, split. So first select the target body, that's this one. Then select the tool element, that would be this surface right here, and there is no, okay, finish. Then split this body with that surface, confirm, finish, cancel this out. Now I could hide, I think that's design body, no, that's the one I want. Okay, like this. Make this the active body. And let's go for a thin wall. 2 millimeters, and I want to remove that's a face which is open, that's a face which is open. Confirm, preview, finish, cancel this out. And now I want to show that body and make a union. So let's go for union. I want to unite, that's the active body, with this one. Confirm, finish, cancel this out. Let's add some fillets. Therefore we'll switch to different view style. Let's go for wireframe. It's easy to select. Go to home, use around 5 millimeter, that's okay. And first you have always to do the inside of that. And let's take a look. Okay, this edge, confirm, preview, finish. Then that edge, this one, confirm, preview, finish. Let's move over here. First go to the inside. That would be this edge, I suppose. Confirm, preview, finish, then that edge. Confirm, preview, finish, and then you could add 2 up here as well. That would be on this side, that edge, and this edge. Let's see if we can do both of them together. Confirm, preview, finish, cancel this out, and I'm done. So let's switch back to shaded view. Yeah, great. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you liked it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook cat fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more subscriptions and likes over there as well. So thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.